let's see if this is going to work. We found a couple problems here already, but let's see how it goes. So this is going to give me the iris data they used in your book. I'm going to make a new clean Colab thing here. Throw this in the trash. Make a new notebook. Okay. Now I start with this code here, which is going to just load the iris data and then print it out so we can see what it looks like. All right. There we are. So these are measurements of like, here's 50 of each of the 3 classes, and here's some of these measurements, which are, I think, height and width of the petal and length of the something else, some other feature of the flower, so that looks all right. Now we classify that with a decision tree, which is here. And this is going to export it into a file called iristree.dot and then print it as .dot, which is how it makes these sort of graphical looking decision trees, which is kind of cool. And good, there we go. That's how we get this. And that's disturbing. Somehow the colors are no good. Well, I wonder if I can change the color of this page or something. I think I need to, let's see, is there a way this is my Opera. Oh, wait, I'm in Brave. That's the problem. Oh, I'm not in the browser that is set to the right color. All right, let me start again in that browser. Let me get rid of this. Here we are. This is the browser I should be using for this because it has not been set to dark mode, which gets in the way. All right. So let me go to the project, which is here, and open that and prepare the data set. Okay. I need a new notebook and throw this one away. All right. And make the font bigger. All right, run this one, and I'm pretty sure that's going to work. And then this one will work too. It's just that I couldn't see it in a browser set in dark mode. All right, that worked. Better shrink it a little and have another block of code. And there we are. That makes the thing right out of your book, with the one if statement and the one more if statement to sort things pretty well, but not perfectly. Now we're going to display the predictions, and that's here, which again could give us a figure that pretty much is equal to what you saw in your book. It's going to print out, there we are, length and width or something like that. Here's the group, this is the first if statement, and there's the next if statement. Okay. And it's colored the regions. You can see the 3 colors, and those colors match up here approximately. So the orange is the group here that got sorted into the perfect set, and the green is the part here where it has 49 right but 5 wrong. You can see there's 5 wrong ones. And the purple is where it got everything right but only 1 wrong. And so I guess that blue square right there is the one that got wrong. So you can see how it worked. All right. Now, we're going to, if you repeat that with maximum depth set from 2 to 3, you'll get another node here, and then you'll get a measure of disorder at the end you can use for a flag. So now, I'm going to try to make another one. And just to make sure I've written a good project here, I'm going to make a new clean notebook. You don't have to, but I'd like to make sure that I'm not accidentally using data that was defined in the previous one to make these independent. So that if I've made this project the way I really wanted to make it, this will work, where you can just start over at this point. We'll see if that happens. It's not complaining. Okay, it's made some data. And this is data we used before. It is x times cosine x, so it makes a wavy thing that actually gets bigger at the end, so it's very far from linear or any simple pattern. And now we're going to try and fit that with a decision tree. And this is going to print out the same chart we saw before, like a flow diagram of the decision tree. And there it is. Now here, I think I set the maximum depth to 2. So I only let it go this far. So it splits it once, and then it splits it again. So there's only 4 possible values. So it's not going to be able to do a very good job of fitting that curve with only 4 possible values. And here's the results. Yeah, all it's got is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can't really follow the curve very well if it's only allowed to have 2 if-then statements and a total of 4 possible values. It's done the best it could. Obviously, you need to make it deeper. And here I found going to depth 6 is where you get a pretty good fit. And then you'll get a flag. So that's working. And there's another one where you can do the unlimited and actually do the overfitting where you spike every point. All right. And I guess that's as far as I got on this one, but still I thought that was good, clean fun. These models are fast to make and fast to use. And that's what I wanted to show you. I'm going to stop recording.